To remove high contrast theme from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Tap high contrast theme and then select none. Wait the removing theme process to be finished. Now your phone is no longer use high contrast theme. Since applying high contrast theme on your phone will not allow you to set your display to light mode, you can do this if you want to have light mode as your display mode, or if you want to have the ability to switch the display mode from dark to light or vice versa. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.